Hello everyone, welcome back to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some pumpkin muffins. Very nice, really easy and very tasty. Come with me as we make this. If you're not aware of how to make the pumpkin puree, I'll be leaving a card above or in the description box so that you can check that out. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share as well. Thank you. So for our pumpkin muffins, we'll be needing some flour. In this case, I'm using whole wheat flour. It has already been sieved, so make sure you sieve whatever flour you want to use. Milk, eggs, cider vinegar. This is optional. This will just help give it a lift in the oven. If you don't have it, your muffins will still taste great. Some pumpkin puree. This is homemade, and I'll be leaving a card above in case you're interested on how to make this. I'll also be leaving the link in my description box. It's very easy to make. You can also use the store-bought one. A little bit of vanilla. This is optional as well. Some oats. This will help add some fiber to our meal. But if you don't have it, you can just use an additional quarter cup of flour in your muffins, because this is just about quarter cup of oats. Baking soda, salt, brown sugar. Then for our spices, in this case we'll be using some dry ginger, cinnamon, and some cloves. I'll just be using a pinch of cloves here. I won't be using everything because cloves tend to be very strong. And you can use a combination of whatever spices you like. You can use some nutmeg too. You can also use garam masala if you prefer. So whatsoever spices work for you will come out nice in these pumpkin muffins. Last but not the least, we'll be needing some vegetable oil. So right now we'll start with combining our dry ingredients, then we'll combine the wet and we'll bring our mixture together. So for the dry ingredients, into a dry bowl goes the whole wheat sieved flour. It's already been sieved. Then the oats go in, baking soda, some salt. Then the spices go in now, cinnamon and ginger go in, a pinch of cloves. And then our brown sugar goes in as well. I'm going to go ahead and combine this. Give it a really good stir. And I'm going to set this aside and we'll start with our wet ingredients. Into a clean bowl goes the milk. The egg goes in. Pumpkin puree. Vanilla goes in. Then our cider vinegar goes in as well. So we'll just give this a good whisk too. And then in goes our dry ingredients. We'll be incorporating the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Then we'll be giving this a good stir. So I'll be getting rid of the wicks now. And I almost forgot to mention that I'll be adding on some vegetable oil to this. It's supposed to go with the wet ingredients, but this will still work fine. So in goes our vegetable oil. Neutral flavored vegetable oil always works best for this. And I'll give this a quick stir with my spatula, bringing everything together. So we just finished giving this a quick mix. So I'll be spooning this into our prepared muffin cups now. And in it goes. So I'll finish filling this. Then we'll be placing this in the 175 degrees Celsius oven so that we can start cooking this. So we just finished filling in our muffin cups and we'll be placing this in the oven now to bake. I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time it's cooked. So at this point our muffins are perfectly cooked. I just cut them out of the oven now. You can see how beautiful that looks. Very moist on the inside and quite delicious. I'll just give it some time to cool off, then we'll be sliding into it to see what it looks like on the inside. So that's what our muffin looks like. It's cooled off a bit and you can see how moist it is on the inside. Really nice, really tender. Because of the pumpkin in it, it really keeps it moist. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.